Hello everyone, my name is Hunter from over Yonder, and today we're going to be talking about this. And if you are unfamiliar with muzzleloading or muzzleloaders, this is a powder horn. And inside of one of these is your black powder. And this was historically carried by hunters and soldiers in the 17th and 18th century. And essentially all it is just the horn of an animal with a wood stopper and a cork on the end that's threaded. And so today in this video, we're going to take a look at the inside of one of these and see if we can find anything interesting.